So now we go to the example 4.8. We can see that for this type of question, what it's asking is the addition between integers and a fraction, 一個整數同分數嘅相加。So as what we learned from the primary school, we need to change the integer into a fraction with the same denominator. Okay, so actually, it's just like expanding the fractions into the common denominator. But what we do is we times the fraction with 3y as the denominator and also the numerator. And then we add the fraction at the back. Okay, after doing this, the 1, this integer, will become a fraction that is 3y over 3y. Now we can see that now the denominator are the same. So we can add them together now. Okay, but you can see that please don't forget to add the bracket for the numerator. Okay, so we can also see that here are the like terms. So we should simplify it into 1 minus y as the numerator. That's it.